Hello students of BCom Part 1 Semester 2. Your Semester 1 is almost complete now, and we have to start learning the syllabus of Semester 2 of compulsory English. So we should know first the syllabus of Semester 2. So this video lecture introduces you the syllabus of Semester 2 compulsory English. So the same text is prescribed. You know already the text. The title of the text is Rays of Letters, and this is prescribed for BCom Part 1 Semester 1 and 2. This is collection of prose and poems, and some topics from business correspondence are also included in the text. So in this uh, syllabus there are 5 units. The first unit is of prose. In the first unit you are going to learn two prose pieces. The first one is Each is Great in His Own Place. This the writer of the first prose is Swami Vivekananda. Then you are going to learn the second prose, The Postmaster by Rabindranath Tagore. In the second unit, you are going to learn the third prose, How I Become a Public Speaker by George Bernard Shaw, and the fourth prose, Prospects of Democracy in India by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. These are the four prose pieces you are going to learn in Unit 1 and 2. And in Unit 3 is of poetry section. In the poetry section, we are going to study 3 poems. The first poem is Success is Counted Sweetest by Emily Dickinson. The second one is Laugh and Be Merry by John Masefield. And the third poem is The Impossible Dream by Joe Darion. And in Unit 4, we are going to learn some grammar topics based on the text. Based on the text in the sense, the sentences, exercises, idioms and phrases, prepositions, sentences for preposition. These you will get from the 4 prose pieces which are there prescribed in Unit 1 and 2. So in grammar you are going to learn change the voice, idioms and phrases, one word substitute, preposition. And in the last unit, Unit 5 is of business correspondence. And in business correspondence, you are going to learn how to write email and newspaper reports. This is the syllabus, and further we must know the distribution of marks. So the paper compulsory English for semester 2 is of 100 marks. These 100 marks are divided into 2 parts. The first one is textual component. On the textual component, you are going to face university written examination, and the examination will be of 80 marks, and then 20 marks are allotted to internal assessment. In 20 marks, the 10 marks are given to class tests, and then remaining 10 are given to home assignment. So 20 marks are given for internal assessment, and 80 marks are allotted for university examination, written examination. The 80 marks are divided like this. I mean to say, distribution of marks of 80 are like this. In other way, we can say that the question paper pattern will be like this. In question paper, you will have question number 1. It will be based on prose, and you have to attempt 2 long questions out of 4. 4 questions, long questions will be asked in the examination. Out of 4, you have to attempt only 2. Each question carries 8 marks. So 8 multiplied by 2, it becomes 16. Question number 2 is of poetry, and there will be 6 questions, short answer questions, carrying 4 marks each. Out of 6, the student has to attempt 4 short answer questions, each carrying 4 marks. So 4 multiplied by 4, it becomes 16. And then in question number 3, we have multiple choice questions. 10 questions from prose and 6 questions from poetry. Each question carries 1 mark, and this question also is of 16 marks. Then in question number 4, is of grammar. The grammar is textual. First 4 marks are allotted to change the voice. Then 4 marks are given to idioms and phrases. Then 1 word substitute, 4 marks are allotted to 1 word substitute. And for prepositions, 4 marks are allotted. So in all, there are 16 marks for question number 4. And then question number 5 is of business correspondence. In it, you will have 2 different types of questions. One will be on writing email. You have to write 1 email. The question will be given to you in the question paper. It is of 6 marks. And then second question is of newspaper report. So 2 newspaper report questions will be there. So out of 2, you have to attempt 1. You have to write 1 newspaper report as per the instructions given in the question. So this is of 10 marks. So in this way, each question is of 16 marks. So 5 questions are there, and in all, this is the distribution of marks of 80 marks textual component. And if the same situation of pandemic COVID-19 continues, then we will have युनिव्हर्सिटी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स. अशी जर परिस्थिती राहिली तर विद्यापीठ आपल्याला पत्राद्वारे कळवेल की कोणत्या पद्धतीने परीक्षा होणार. आतापर्यंत MCQ टाईप क्वेश्चन्स परीक्षेत आलेले आहेत. जर पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन संपली आणि लेखी परीक्षा जर झाली तर या पद्धतीने परीक्षा होईल. हे जे मी तुम्हाला फॉर्मॅट आता सांगितलेलं आहे त्या पद्धतीने. आणि जर पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन कंटिन्यू झाली तर मात्र जे काही विद्यापीठाचे इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स असतील त्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला परीक्षा द्यावी लागेल. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट युअर सिलेबस. ॲक्च्युअली दिस सिलेबस इज देअर, बट वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश लँग्वेज for skill development. What are the skills we have to develop when we learn any language? So first we should listen, then we should have ability to speak, then read and write. So these are the 4 important language skills. The textbook which is there for your syllabus, this is actually some material. It is material actually to learn to develop our language skills. So you should listen to English language. Online videos are there. A British Council site is there. You should try to speak, read and write. These are the basic language skills. So this was all about your syllabus of BCom Part 1, Semester 2.